Bonjour mes étudiants. Hello students. Today we'll be reading Apprenons le français de leçon 5. Explorons les saisons. We'll read the chapter today. Manuel aime la fête de Pâques. Manuel likes Easter festival. M means aimer verb. That means to like. Fête means festival. Pâques means Easter festival. Chaque année au printemps. Chaque année means every year. Au printemps, in spring season, il attend, he waits, avec impatience l'arrivée de Pâques. He waits with impatiently, okay, l'arrivée, the arrival of Easter festival, Pâques. Une fête religieuse, a religious festival. Au printemps, in spring season, il fait beau. It is beautiful. Les arbres poussent. The nouvelle branche. That means arbre means trees. Pousse des nouvelles branches. That means they take out the new branches. Et il y a beaucoup de fleurs. And there are a lot of flowers. La famille célèbre le dimanche de Pâques. The family celebrates on Sunday, the festival of Easter. Ils vont à la messe. They go to the mess. Les parents cachent des œufs en chocolat dans le jardin. Les parents means parents cachent des œufs, hide eggs en chocolat made up of chocolate. Okay, they are not the exact eggs, they are actually chocolates in the shape of an egg. Okay, dans le jardin, in the garden. Les enfants cherchent les œufs, and then the children they look for the eggs, the chocolate eggs. Il y a aussi un grand repas de famille. There is also a big family meal. That means the whole family they come together and have meal together. L'été, summer, la saison après le printemps. Summer is the season after spring. Et un moment is a time, the vacances of vacation. Et de détente pour la famille and for the rest for the family. Okay, that means the family they take rest at that time. Il fait chaud, it is hot. Il fait chaud, it is hot, fair verb. Et ils vont souvent à la plage and they often go to the beach. Souvent, often. Plage, beach. L'automne arrive ensuite. After that, autumn arrives. Avec les feuilles colorées, with the colorful leaves. Et les températures plus fraîches. That means, and with the weather, very fresh. Manuel et sa famille font des randonnées en forêt. Manuel and his family do trek in the forest. Enfin, l'hiver apporte la neige et Noël. At the end, enfin means at the end. L'hiver apporte, winter brings la neige et la Noël, the snow and the Christmas. Manuel et son frère, Manuel and his brother, aiment faire des bonhommes de neige. They like to make the bonhomme de neige snowman. Okay? Neige means snow. La famille célèbre Noël. The family celebrates Christmas ensemble, together, avec des cadeaux, with some gifts, des décorations festives, festive decorations, et un grand repas de famille and a big family meal, family fest. I hope you have understood the chapter. Now let's solve the exercises on the basis of the text. Première question, dis vrai ou faux. Tell true or false. First one, Manuel n'aime pas la fête de Pâques. Manuel don't like Easter festival. The answer is 4 because Manuel was waiting eagerly every year for the Easter festival. So first one is 4. Second one, La Fête de Pâques, the festival of Easter, is célébré le dimanche, is celebrated on Sunday. So the answer is vrai. Yes, Easter is always celebrated on Sunday. Let's read on page number 63 now. Third one, en été, in summers. Il y a des vacances, there are vacations. The answer is vrai. Yes, they do have summer break. Fourth one, les enfants n'aiment pas faire de bonhomme de neige. Les enfants means children, n'aiment pas, they don't like to make snowman. The answer is 4. Children, they do like making snowman. Question 2. Second question. Complétez avec les mots du texte. Find one word from the text. First one, au printemps, in spring season, il fait beau. Second one, en hiver, in winters, la neige tombe. Third one, le dimanche, on Sunday, la famille va à la messe. The family goes to the mess. Fourth one, j'aime la mer. I like the sea. Je vais souvent à la plage. I often go to the beach. La plage, that is beach. Question number 3. Trouvez dans le texte, find from the text. First one, le contraire. Contraire means opposite. Opposite of vieille. Vieille means old. So the opposite is nouvelle. Nouvelle means new. Okay, so vieille is feminine plural, so opposite will also be feminine plural. Déteste. Déteste means to hate. So déteste is il plural conjugation. So opposite is m. So it will also be the conjugation with il plural only. Okay. Second one, the saison. Any two seasons you can write. Let's write l'été, that is summer, and l'hiver, that is winter. Third one, the fête. So two festivals that they have talked about. One is Easter, le Pâques, and the other one is Noel, Christmas. They have also talked about Christmas. Okay, so question number 4 is répondez. So you have to answer the question. First one, qu'est-ce que les parents font pendant la fête de Pâques? What the parents do during the festival of Easter? The answer is les parents cachent des œufs en chocolat. The parents hide the eggs, chocolate eggs, dans le jardin, in the garden. Et les enfants cherchent les œufs. And the children, they look for the eggs. Second part, comment la famille fête Noël? How the family celebrates Christmas. The answer is la famille célèbre Noël ensemble. The family celebrates Christmas together avec des cadeaux, with some gifts. Des décorations festives, the festive decorations, et un grand repas de famille and a big family meal. So students, I hope you have understood the chapter lesson 5. If you have any doubts, you can put your doubts in the comment section. I would try to resolve your doubts. And if you have any queries, you can also put your comments for that. Merci, au revoir.